Okay, here is your information screen for your settings. We start with the display. All the controls we're doing are on the left side of your steering wheel. So to get into any of them, you can use your arrows to go back and forth. So let's start with the information panel. You go to your right and it will give you information on what you want to have shown on the screen. Driver assistance will show you your lane departure warning and other warnings. Your map will have the duplication of the navigation screen between the gauges. Your trip summary will have your trip odometer and other things related to miles per gallon, etc. Media will actually show you your choice of entertainment, satellite radio, etc. Your off-road information will let you know your terrain response setting and your position of your tires and wheels. Going back up, we make a right with the arrow, and that's the heads-up display if so equipped. And you can turn it on or off, change the brightness, position it, and arrow right means go to the right on the pad that's on the steering wheel. And then you can move the heads-up display up and down, which you'll see on the screen in front of you, actually the windshield. Heads-up display content will allow you to have all sorts of information through the windshield. The driver assistance is going to be your lane departure and the like, navigation, traffic sign recognition, what gear you're in, and the phone number you're talking to. Going across to the next option, your vehicle setting. For your security, you can have the vehicle beep when you lock or unlock it. Two-stage unlocking on or off, and these can be chosen by hitting the OK button on your button that's on the steering wheel, or big round left side one. Two-stage unlocking, what that does is it actually will, on the first click, it'll unlock the driver's door, second click the rest of the doors. If you want it off, then it'll just click open all four and lock at the same time. Driveway locking, when the vehicle is unlocked and you're driving away, you can have it not lock the doors or choose your speed as indicated by the arrows and hit OK to choose. Vehicle information, showing the warnings will show you the latest warning. Tire information will give you the current tire pressures, and the recommended are in the parentheses. This is done while not moving, of course. And the load sensing will ask you if you have a light load or normal. Light is just a driver, normal load is more than 2 passengers and some luggage, just so it adjusts the pressure sensor. Media will simply let you change sources, which you can do from the infotainment screen. And you can select any of these for your sources or shut them off. And then arrow back to go back. And to your right is your driver assistance information. You can adjust your collision avoidance with the Ford Alert and the sensitivity, which lets you know that a vehicle is too close to you. It's 1, 2, or 3 car lanes, normal, medium, and high. Going back, steering assistance. If you have lane departure and lane keep assist, it will actually let you choose if you want the lane keep assist on, which will put the vehicle back in the center of the lane if it's on. And with cruise control, it will actually steer the wheel itself while you're in a lane moving, even on a slight turn. And you can adjust your settings below that for how sensitive. Trip odometer information has trip A, which is resettable anytime, as well as trip B. And trip auto will reset every time you start the vehicle. You can have any of those showing. And that brings you back to the display.